mga kaibigan, ang Dubai, when we had that anniversary, 400 people attended. 400 people. 400 distributors. And of all these 400 distributors, just like you, they also paid for the tickets. Okay? Now, this year, ang umattend mga kaibigan, it doubled. 800 people attended. Now, the best part is this, out of the 800 mga kaibigan, may mga waiting list pa sa labas. Total people who came in was 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus. And the tickets for that dinner is around 200 dirhams. Now, 200 dirhams multiplied by 12 pesos, that is 2,400 pesos. And people came from all walks of life, and people came from different parts of UAE. For those people who doesn't quite understand what is UAE, ako rin, it's my first time to understand what is UAE. UAE is the country, United Arab Emirates. Okay, now, UAE is divided, consists of 7 emirates. In the United States, different states, di ba? Sa kanila, instead of calling it states, they call it emirates. So they have 7 emirates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 emirates. One of the most famous emirates is Dubai. Yan, sabi natin, dito Dubai, di ba? May dagat eh. Dubai. Okay. Now, but the capital of Dubai is Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. Now, mga kaibigan, you will be surprised. From Abu Dhabi to Dubai, that is 2 hours drive. Non-stop, highway talaga yan. Full blast. Kumbaga, para siyang highway natin na walang traffic, dire-diretso talaga. So, malayo talaga yun. Okay? And meron dito mga taga Sharjah, kung saan lugar. Mga kaibigan, iba't ibang parte ng UAE pumunta dito sa Dubai para sa anniversary. Now, why am I telling you this? Mga kaibigan, nagsimula po ang Dubai na walang branch, just like in Singapore. Nagsimula po ang Dubai na nagbukas kami ng branch, and after a year, lumaki siya, tulad ng ganito, tulad sa inyo din. Now, Singapore, we just started Singapore, start selling products, I think September, October. September. So, September, October, November. So, this will be on the 3rd month pa lang po tayo. What's my point, mga kaibigan? Whether you like it or not, whether you believe this or not, lalaki po tayo dito sa Singapore. Ako, mga kaibigan, Singapore has a special part in my heart. Why? Because 12 years ago, when I was 2 years old, so, 12 years ago, mga kaibigan, I started network marketing here doing network marketing here in Singapore. Our office before was in Tanjung Pagar, at the back of Amara Hotel. So, yun. And then they transferred to somewhere in Clarke Quay. So, yun. So, nag-network ko kami doon. I stayed in an apartment somewhere in Novena, opposite of KK Hospital. So, ganun yun. So, nag-network ko ako dito for almost 2 years. Pabalik-balik. Nagsimula ako dito, mga kaibigan. 2 weeks ako sa Singapore, 2 weeks Philippines. 2 weeks Singapore, 2 weeks Philippines. That's what I've been doing for the past 2 years. For my 2 years stay dito sa Singapore. Lumaki ang grupo ko, mga kaibigan. Lumaki. Nagsimula yung mga Pilipinos. Tayo din yun. Here's my point, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I came back on a different company. Royal. And I'm very excited kasi bakit? This time, it's a Filipino company. Now, for those people who are not Filipinos, mga kaibigan, I'm not trying to be biased here, but here's what I'm trying to say. I'm a Filipino. I may be Chinese inside because half of it is Chinese. But the point is this, mga kaibigan, whether I like it or not, whether you believe this or not, I was born in the Philippines and I'm still a Filipino by heart.
Yes.
Diba? And I'm proud to be called a Filipino and I'm proud to be called Royalista.
Yes.
Mga kaibigan, ito nalaman ko, gusto ko share this sa inyo, I'd like to share this to all of you. A lot of times when I talk to Filipinos here in Singapore or in any parts of the globe, ito napapansin ko, they leave their family sa Philippines to work abroad and to make an income of how much? Sabi natin, in Singapore dollar, 1,000 Sing, 2,000 Sing. Magkano sa Pinas? Times 34, that's around 7,000, wala pa. 68,000. Sabi natin, 70,000. Ladies and gentlemen, here's one thing I'm proud of. I have a downline. I have a downline. Okay, small group. I have a downline somewhere in Israel. I'm very happy to tell this to you. In Israel, we don't have a branch. We don't have products there. Pero nag-network siya doon. We do trainings through Skype. We talk very often, like once a month. We do trainings very often, like for the past 1 year, twice. That's how we do it. She's busy, I'm busy. Ang difference kasi ng Israel tsaka ng Philippines is I think 6 hours. 6 hours difference eh. So, pag nag-training ako doon, 10 o'clock sa kanila, 5 hours yata or 6 eh. Basta 3 o'clock sa umaga sa atin, 10 o'clock sa kanila. So, puyat na ako, gising pa sila. Diba? Now, here's the thing mga kaibigan. In just 1 year mga kaibigan, yung distributor doon, yung downline ko, is now an executive circle. Wow! Executive circle. Natutuwa ako mga kaibigan, bakit? Kasi kung nangyari sa kanya yon, nangyari sa kanya doon sa Singapore, mga kaibigan, pwede rin mangyari dito sa inyo sa Singapore. Yes. Doon sa Israel, nangyari pala yan, pwede mangyari dito sa Singapore. Yes. And ang ginaganda, dito, meron kayong opisina, may mga produkto kayo, ganito nga lang ang seminar, di ba? Grabe! Still, better than nothing, right? Yes. Nato ngayon, ang point ko, lumaki kayo dati dito, na walang office, kayo may office kayo, unti-unti ayusin natin. Yes. Unti-unti. Ang importante, meron kayong produkto. Hindi ba, ang importante, meron kayong produkto. Be proud of the products. Do you love the products? Yes! Mga kaibigan, our products are very high in quality. Alam bang, mga kaibigan sa Pinas, ngayon ang salitang Royal is not just a noun anymore. It's not just a name. Now, ang Royal sa Pinas is also an adjective. Yes. Now, why do you call it adjective? An adjective is what you use to describe things or people. What do you mean? Like, for example, hey, you look nice today. Of course, you look like Royal. You look like Royal. Kasi mga kaibigan, iba na eh. Alam mo ba mga kaibigan, makikita mo kahit sa Pinas pag may nakita kang tao na nakaporma, maayos, naka-coat, Royal yan. Hindi na totoo. Totoo. Because yun ang identity natin. Ano yung identity natin? Our identity, high quality, and successful. Yes. Mga kaibigan, kanina nasa taxi kami, nagkukwento kami, people who's buying cars. Alam mo, right now sa Philippines, people who buy cars in less than a year is normal. And if 1 year ka na, if you haven't buy a car, that's abnormal. Ano bakit? Kasi things are really doing very well right now. Not because they're in the Philippines, it's because mga kaibigan, yun talaga ang trend, yun talaga ang pattern. That when you do Royal, you start from here, going up. Yeah. Right now, Singapore, nandito ka pa lang eh. Bakit? 2-3 months ka pa lang eh. But whether you like it or not, as long as you continue, aakit ka talaga, whether you like it or not. Kumbaga ganito, kahit anong gawin mo, tatanda ka. Yes. Correct? Kahit anong gawin mo, lalaki ka, wala. Talagang ganun talaga eh. And the only way for you not to grow old is you stop living. If you quit, mga kaibigan, di ba? Same thing here, mga kaibigan. Ang sa akin is this, just do your part. Do your part. And mga kaibigan, ito din, make a decision. Say, nag-decide na ako, I'm now a royalista. Yeah. But when you make a decision, mga kaibigan, yung decision talaga to do this full blast, whether it be part-time or full-time. Full blast talaga. Yes. Alam nyo, sa SM, kasi nakakapagod eh. Kasi pagod na kami sa work, we're tired. And we came from work, and and a lot of times, we haven't had good sleep, we're hungry. Talk about hungry, talk about good sleep. Here's the best part. I arrived in Manila Thursday, December 12. I arrived in Manila 5 p.m. from an 8-hour flight from Dubai. 5 p.m. December 13, nag-work na ako sa office. Walang jet lag. Dire-diretso na yan. 14, meeting. Office ulit. 15, nasa Alabang ako. May kausap din ako. 16, Monday, work ako ulit. Now, here's the best part. Umuwi ako. Nag-meeting kami ni Fred kasi tagal namin din nagkita eh. Pero magkasama kami sa Dubai. Nag-meeting kami doon, then we went to UK, inayos yung papers doon sa London, then ako, Nag-stay ako sa Dubai. Here's the best part. December 16, I got home 7 a.m. So, I got home on the 17th na, 7 a.m. Okay? I woke up 2:30 p.m. Speaker ako 4 p.m. Okay? And that was last night. Okay? Natapos kami nag-meeting kaninang umaga, 18, kanina, 3 a.m. Pag uwi ko mga kaibigan, nag-empake ako. Di ako natulog. Di na ako nakatulog eh, kasi wala na, alanganin na, di ba? And then, dire-diretso na. I was at the airport at 9 a.m. Then, eto na.
Sir, yes, sir.
Gutom, mga kaibigan. The last meal that I had was 11 a.m. kanina sa airport kami ni Art. Di pa kami kumakain ni Art. So, pagod? Kapatid, pagod na ako. Diba? Pero point ko, sir, kung physically pagod ako, pero utak ko, buhay na buhay pa eh.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi bakit? Nandun yung motivation. Alam ko, something's... Ito, here's my point. Hindi baling walang tulog. Basta ang importante, yung walang gising. Nagas nyo? Ako, tinan mo hataw ako dire-diretso. I'll be back in Manila, December 21. December 21, I go home, Saturday. I arrive in Manila, 2 p.m. Guess what? Pagdating ng 7 p.m., Christmas party ng Royal. Okay? Sunday, may activities kami family. Monday, mga kaibigan, office na ulit, back to work, tapos Christmas party ulit ng Royal. On the 24th, pahinga. On the 25th, Pasko, eto na yung bakasyon.